Samemba bafethu, I hope you good. Yazi bafethu ngihlangane nenye video bafethu ekaZulu boy, you understand? One of the adorable child, you understand? Okhona la ku TikTok. But there's something engithintile video yakhe le bafethu yabo. Lapho ethi kumama wakhe sithi why mama wakhe banenkinga make icela ukuthi umama wakhe makamthengele unodoli, you understand? Unodoli the doll basho njalo ngesilungu yabo, because yena ufuna utrain baba kangobe sisemncane yayibo lonto leyo. Lento le inenze like ngayibuka la situation ngenye indlela guys yabo ukuthi ende vele thina zabafana abantwana babafana we always like associated like basithengela izibhamu, basithengela imoto, basithengela like Spider-Man, Superman, like zonke lento ezimasculine, you understand, which like it's a good thing, you understand, there is nothing wrong about that. But I feel ukuthi as abazali like bakhona that side of family structure abazali bethu abayifila towards thina abantwana bangabafana, you understand. Thina like asibukeki zabantu like amele ba train for ukuthi awube ubaba, you understand, for example, because dot dolls lama doll abadlala ngabantomazana like they ba train uba umama yayibo leyo nto, ufundisa uba umama bayapheka yonke lanto leyana. But at the same time like I feel like nathi bantu besilisa like abantwana like especially if umntana ongumfana uwise njengalamntana uZulu boy, you understand, like you can buy such things just ukuthi ukwazi accommodate, because uyambona ukuthi uyasho ukuthi I think one of the family members unomfazi, unomntwana, unemoto, why mama kene ngafuni ukuthi atrain baba yena yebo into le.
Siyasabela kaloku.
If you don't want to buy dolls for me, that means you're saying I can't grow up to be a father.
Anditsho kanjalo baby. But kaloku i-toys is different. Yabona? Wena ndikakuthengela i-toy ka-Spider-Man okanye ka-Superman. Yabo, not onodoli.
No, that means you say I can't grow up to be a father because my uncle has a baby and a car and a wife.
What is a wife?
A wife. A wife is someone when you sit with a girl.
Oh, okay.
And having a baby and having a car.
Kaloku I'm saying I'm gonna buy you a Superman omncinci and no Spider-Man, then you can put them here. Yabo.
Mom, I'm saying a doll is a baby toy.
Okay.
Buy me anything I want.
Not a Superman.
No, Superman, I like them. Both of them. I like dolls and I like Superman.
Okay. Hayi ngake.
Mama,
Ngingayazi kaloku.
Mama, why are you telling me? Why are you asking me many questions when I want to learn to be a father and I don't have dolls?
Because I did not know that boys can play with toys.
And dolls too.
Kaloku I did not know. I thought boys can play with cars only. I did not know, but with the dolls also.
You must know that.
I can.
Because I want a doll and a Spider-Man doll, anything I want to.
Okay.
Which like ingivula umqondo man guys, like andiyiboni ngalendlela abantu beyibona ngayo, because abanye abantu always twist into ezinhle like bezibona negative ukuthi hayi what if ufuna bayigay ndondondondon, like it's not about that guys, like it's about that awareness ukuthi moyindoda yes wamithisa melibe dafo ingane yakho, you understand, melu uyisupport, uyikhulise, uyithande, uyiphuthando, like it's not about imali kuphela, melibe available emotional, spiritual, uyisupport ingane yakho bera ekukhuleni kwayo and all those things, you understand. And I feel like if abazali they can unlock that kind of, you understand, power in us as abafana sebancane, I feel ukuthi izinto zingaba much better than the way izinto zingakhona currently, you understand. So I don't know guys, ndi uyi-one na ubona lento le ngendlela different, you understand, ngalendlela umfana ayibona ngayo, yayibo lento le like indlela ayichaza ngayo man, like ungenze like ngavule umqondo ngabona ukuthi ayibo na inkinga lana la esigeja khona thina as abazali, like we always buy igani, imoto for abafana, but we don't give them that family structure thing ukuthi as a man you must be there for ingane zakho, you must be there for ikusasa lengane zakho, you must be there usupport ingane yakho, like ube available kwingane yakho, like ube ubaba, you understand. And make funa le doll ndiyambona okay imoto ikhona mama, yebo nansi imoto ikhona mama, but kushoda umfazi, kushoda ingane, yebo lento leyo. Understand guys, like kwakuthi semncinci ngifunda ukwazi ukuthi okay manginemoto ngikwazi nakekela ingane, yebo lento leyo. So like I truly love that kind of mindset that boy has bafethu. Like ungenze like ngaba like narrating ukuthi wow, this boy like he's very genius, like umncane but is wise, understand, umqondo wakho uqhaqhekile, like angazi uyibeka kanjani, but abanye ke abazi they always say ufuna bayiginto ndundundun, and mina ndiyiboni kanjalo yabo. Ngibona umfana omncane like wise, umfana omncane like female oriented, ofuna ubada for umndeni wakhe seke mdala, ufuna ukutraina wasesemncane and all those things mfethu yabo, like ukufunda uba fatherhood ukuthi kunjani uba ubaba, you understand. I truly love that kind of video bafethu, nani nizoyibona nicho nini ukuthi nicabangana about that video, but for mina like imvulo umqondo ndibonisela inye side, you understand, isikhule ngalo thina which is affected somehow, you understand, which like abantwana bamanje bona they are more wiser than us and bafuna the better vision or the better life, you understand, which like is something good, you understand. Maybe into engachange like the next generations, many generation bafethu blessed, you understand, when it's come to family and all those things. But angazi ngicabanga, but mina ndiyibona kuyinto egrand, yayibona nto ngikhuthazile somehow anivula umqondo somehow. It's crazy as badala singaka sifunde ebantwaneni, which like it's a good thing because sofunda sizofuna bafethu because it's out and ncane bafethu.